Hi children, good morning. Take your activity book ma. This is your maths class. See children here, put the correct sign less than or greater than or is equal to between the numbers. Here's numbers are given ma. In previous classes we already learned what is greater than, what is less than, what is equal to symbols. Okay, yes or no? This is the review exercise for you. Listen again carefully. What is this number? Number 100. What is this number? 140. Which number is more number? Big number. Only that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. Yes or no? Which number is more? In that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. So what is this symbol? This symbol is less than. This is less than symbol. How do you say in sentence this one? 100 is less than 140. 100 అనేది 140 కన్నా లెస్ తక్కువ అంటే ఇది ఎక్కువ అని. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? 100 is less than 140. Next one. 196. It is 22. Which number is big number? 196. Only that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. Crocodile mouth is present like this. Yes or no? What is this symbol? This symbol is called greater than. 196 is greater than 22. 196 అనేది greater than అంటే కన్నా 22 కన్నా ఇది greater. Okay, next. 38. 152. Which number is big number? 152. Only that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. This symbol is called less than symbol. 38 is less than 152. Next one. 86. 19. 86. 19. Which number is big number? 86. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. 86 is greater than 19. How do you tell in sentence ma this one? 86 is greater than 19. Next, second line. Here see children, 143. 143. Here two numbers are equal numbers. Yes or no? Yes. So here we should keep which symbol? Is equal to symbol. 143 is equal to 143. Next. 16. 90. Which number is big number? 90. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. How do you tell in sentence? 16 is less than 90. 16 is less than 90. See children, next one. 88. 57. Which number is big number? 88. So that side only crocodile mouth is present. It is greater than symbol. 88 is greater than 57. 88 is greater than 57. See children, next one. Next number is 30. 157. 30. 157. Here 157 is more number. Okay, that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. Yes or no? Yes. So it is less than symbol. 30 is less than 157. 30 అనేది 157 కన్నా చిన్న నెంబర్, స్మాల్ నెంబర్ అని మీనింగ్ దీనికి. 30 is less than 157. We'll go to the third line. Children, come to the third line. 137, 60. Here 136 is big number. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present. 137 is greater than 60. 137 is greater than 60. Next number 140, 136. 140, 136. Okay, 140 is big number. So keep like this symbol. It is greater than symbol. 140 is greater than 136. Okay ma. Next one. 89, 27. Which number is big number? 89. సో బిగ్ నెంబర్ వైపు ఈ 2 ఉండాలి. మౌత్ లాగా ఈ 2 అనేవి ఏదైతే బిగ్ నెంబరో ఈ 2 ఇలా మౌత్ ఓపెన్ చేసినట్టుగా అది అటు సైడ్ ఉండాలి. 89 ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 27. నెక్స్ట్ 154, 113. 154 is big number. So keep symbol like this. 154 is greater than 113. Next one. 42, 42. Two numbers are equal. So put is equal to symbol here. రెండు వైపులా ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటే మనం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సింబల్ ఉంచాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 9, 120. 120 అనేది బిగ్ నెంబర్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో అటువైపు ఇలా మౌత్ ఓపెన్ చేసినట్టుగా ఉంచాలి. ఈ సింబల్ని మనం లెస్ దాన్ అంటాం. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సెంటెన్స్ని ఎలా చదువుతాం? 9 ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 120. 9 అనేది 120 కన్నా లెస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 30, 196. ఏ నెంబర్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ అమ్మా? 196 అనేది బిగ్ నెంబర్. సో అట్ సైడ్ క్రోకోడైల్ మౌత్ అనేది ఓపెన్ చేసినట్లుగా మనం ఈ సింబల్ని ఉంచాలి. ఈ సింబల్ని లెస్ దాన్ సింబల్ అని చదువుతాం. 30 అనేది లెస్ దాన్ 196. నెక్స్ట్ 35, 108. 108 అనేది బిగ్గా, 35 బిగ్ నెంబరా? 108. సో లైక్ దిస్ సింబల్. It is less than symbol. 35 is less than 108. 170, 142. Which number is big number? 170. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. 170 is greater than 142. 170 is greater than 142. See children, here 160, 82. Here what is the big number? 160. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. Okay, so how to tell in sentence this one? 160 is greater than 82. 160 is greater number than 82. 82 కన్నా 160 అనేది greater number. Next one 105, 110. 105 is less than 110. Next 45, 137. 137 is big number. So 45 is less than 137. Next one, tell the time. Write it in the box. Here, see children, in this clock, what is the time right now? Short hand is on 5, long hand is on 12. Now the time is 5 o'clock. Now the time is 5 o'clock. Next, short hand is on 12, long hand is on 3. What is the time? If long hand is on 12, 12 o'clock, 12:05, on 2, 12:10, on 3, 12:15. Now the time is 12:15. So write down children like this, 12, 15. Next one. Here short hand is on 3. Long hand is on 12. Now the time is exactly 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Next one. Here short hand is present in between 8 and 9. So you take first 8 o'clock. 8. If long hand is on 12, 8. If long hand is on 5, 8, 5. On 2, on 1, 8, 5. On 2, 8, 10. On 3, 8, 15. On 4, 8, 20. If long hand is on 5, 8, 25. If long hand is on 6, 8, 30. If long hand is present on 7, 8, 35. On 8, 40. On 9, 45. Now the time is 8:45. 8:45. Next one. The short hand is present 1 and 2. So take first 1 o'clock. 1. Long hand is present on 6. That means 30. 1:30. 1:30. Okay children, practice these greater than or less than or is equal to problems and also time also. Practice in your rough notebook children. Today learn 2-3 tables. Write each table 2 times in your rough notebook. Okay children, we will meet again in next class ma. Thank you children. Bye.